I can't feel my nose.
I can't feel my toes.
We should have had the sail sent to Miami.
I think it's too late. It's on its way from South Africa.
Can you go make the coffee?
I'm gonna wait till it gets above freezing.
Outside our window.
Quick, get your paddleboard.
We got a race outside our window. Whoa!
Whoa! These are diehards of Wrightsville Beach.
We got our own waterfront view of some sort of paddleboard race happening here. In, let's say, pretty rough conditions. The wind's picking up, even gusting into mid-20s already. But didn't stop these guys. They're out, doing it.
We feel like it's winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very cold.
Yeah. And now we're gonna walk, 40 minutes to the grocery store? That'll be really nice, actually. Get some exercise, get some heat going. Look at what happened here. This is crazy. Is this safe to walk on? You go first. Whoa. It's fun walking to get your groceries. This is old school. Get your feet out, get your backpack, and walk to the grocery store. If you want to go cruising, start with that. All right, that was super easy. My fingers are already frozen.
Everything's cold.
I'm cooking to stay warm, okay? I'm actually making a pizza in here. It's gonna heat up the cabin. The other thing I'm gonna do is my plank challenge. I've been trying to do 5 minutes a day of planks. I've left my yoga mat out all day long as a reminder, and
Really? I hadn't
noticed, yeah.
As I tripped on it. It's making me tired just watching this.
so I can usually make it to 30. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it.
You feeling it already?
Burn. Oh yeah, it's 16 seconds.
16
Woo!
seconds. How are you going to do 5 minutes of this?
Well, we take breaks.
Nothing warms my heart like a pizza.
Sometimes you have to go full gluten.
Full gluten?
That's how you get through these cold times.
All right, we're being a little dramatic. But the truth is, it is rather chilly on the water anytime it gets below about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Thankfully, the cold doesn't last too long, and in the calm weather, it's a great opportunity to get things done on the boat.
Nick, you can strip for us?
It's going to take a while. Believe it or not, okay, I'm wearing 3 pairs of pants if you don't count my long johns, or you count my long johns. And this is actually down 1 layer. I was wearing 4 pairs of pants.
And how many socks?
3 pairs of socks and slippers. And then 2 sweatshirts, a winter jacket, long john tops, and a hat. So yeah, this is feeling mighty good.
Oh my God.
I have decided that I am done with cold weather. I mean, I'm just plain sorry. You're not going to find me in high latitudes anymore. This is all tropical sailing from now on.
When the wind settles down, Wrightsville Beach is just absolutely fantastic. And having friends in town that can help receive packages and give us rides has been so helpful. Renee coming through again.
Hello, everybody. Oh my goodness. What is this for?
Just for all your awesomeness.
It's so appreciated.
Thank you. Thank you for the rides, for the friendship, the laughs, and for the mailing addresses, and for trying to help Nick get a job and get that discount at West Marine. Excuse me, sir. I would like one of those ACR things.
Oh, what you got?
Closing your packages.
Clarity coffee. Smells so good.
One of the big projects we'd had yet to complete were the high output alternators. We had troubles with one of the vendors and finally settled on the tried and true, the Balmar. Now, of course, a big part of this upgrade is just the fact we're going to get more power. Our existing alternators are 80 amp and the new ones are 170 amps. That's their rating. Really, they'll put out about half to 2/3 of that number. But the more important points are that these new alternators should run cooler. You can see all of the vents that are built into the case. Another big difference are how the alternators are driven. The old ones had a V-belt. The new ones use a serpentine belt with 10 little grooves in it. The old belts created a lot of dust, and the new serpentine belts should create almost nothing. A much cleaner setup.
All right, as usual, the project multiplied in complexity. What I'm doing is I'm installing 12 volt to 12 volt converters from Victron. And what these will allow us to do is charge our house bank off of our high output alternator without the worry that if the batteries get full or the BMS shuts down for some reason, that'll kick a bad voltage back to the alternator and ruin it. So we get less output overall by using these 12 volt to 12 volt converters, but we're going to keep the system outputting about 60% or even maybe even a little bit less, 50 to 60% of its total capacity. And my hope is that by not working the alternator so hard, we won't have any alternator issues. So it'll be reliable and we won't have to deal with this ever again.
Nick, what percentage done are you?
85.
85! Woo-hoo! Hey Nick, it's bedtime.
Oh my God.
Towards the end of the project, I ran into a snag. I was getting no output from one of the alternators. And here's where paying the extra bucks for the premium product pays off. The Balmar product support got right back to me after I told them we were in a hurry to catch the next weather window, and they overnighted a new alternator to us. And then our buddy Eric comes through for about the 10th time to put it in our hands so we can get the heck out of Dodge. Sweet success.
I was looking here.
Oh my God.
I got something for the isinglass up in the helm. It's getting pretty foggy and just kind of dirty. IMAR, the cleaner and the polish will rejuvenate our isinglass. Okay, I'm most of the way through this isinglass cleaning project, and hopefully you'll be able to see how much better it is. Would you look at that? I feel like I just got new glass. This panel is not quite done. I did the outside, and then this panel is done. There's nothing like a warm shower. I feel so much better. And it's warm in the salon because I've got this bread going. Let's check on it. Forgot to set the timer.
You remember that movie, Little Shop of Horrors? Feed me, Seymour!
This is a very popular herb in the Caribbean, and there's lots of recipes, and one of them I came up with is it's a vegan pesto. And so I'm going to harvest it on this cloudy, stormy winter day and make some pesto with nutritional yeast, pine nuts, olive oil. All right, 3 cups of that. Do you think I have 3 cups?
3
from
cups?
Jay?
You got 3 cups.
Okay.
Wow.
It's very, very fragrant.
It's pungent.
But it is antimicrobial, antibacterial. Apparently, you can rub this all over your body, and the bugs won't get you. We're gonna
Whoa,
rub.
you are harvesting.
I am. I need 3 cups.
You got 5 cups, my friend.
Whoa. Just a little bit bitter.
What's it need? So you're not a fan of the Cuban oregano pesto?
No, it's terrible. It is really, really bad.
Nick,
I give it to you straight. I can't mince words.
what's it need?
What's it? To be thrown out?
Can you film my Dr. Seuss?
Yeah, that's a. There's no ham.
I already have my hand.
So you're not giving up on this.
No.
What did you say about it?
I'm just working with it.
You're working with it.
I'm still discovering it.
Oh, yeah.
I do love the aroma. I like it.
Well,
I do.
you better.
It's very herby. Oh my God, the sale's here! We just got word! Woo-hoo!
I don't know about you, I haven't been this excited in a while.
Christmas! I can't believe the sale got here. This means we can maybe take our weather window on Friday.
Ready for this?
I'm so excited. This is, can't wait to see this beautiful sail in person. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready for this.
How excited are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm on an 11 for how excited I am about this.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. Yeah. 154 pounds. A lot lighter than
You're welcome.
I wish we could do Thanksgiving
You're
with
welcome.
you.
It's okay.
Say hi to
Maybe
your
next
wife.
time.
Yeah. Sing it, Nick.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
So we're gonna go recruit another fellow Leopard 46 owner.
I'll get you a quote, man. Maybe it's PTSD from the last time when we got that sale and none of the hardware fit. Ullman, I have complete faith in you, but I'm gonna check the measurements on the hardware to make sure it's compatible with what's on the mast before I get too excited about anything. I got the calipers out, I'm gonna take some measurements, and I think we're gonna wait until we've got full daylight tomorrow to actually do the swap out. So it'll be tough to sleep tonight. We'll be like kids on Christmas Eve.
been wanting to cut into this old sail for months now, and I can't wait to repurpose it and make some really cool handbags with this. I just wish I could keep it all. Bye-bye, old sail.
That's what's left.
Maybe just go around to the anchorage and see if anyone wants it. We are off, finally, after 3.5 weeks. We got a new E-perb. I made some straps out of Velcro. Easy peasy.
I wanted to mount this thing out of the sun, out of the elements, but also outside, so we can reach it quickly. Yeah.
Good.
Press this tab, release the E-perb. You slide this tab this way and press the red button.
All right.
There's still a little setup to do with our new mainsail, but right out of the box, it is pretty much flawless. The craftsmanship is just incredible. We'll have lots more to talk about why we chose this kind of mainsail in a future video.
Thank you for spending your hard-earned time with us. We hope that you'll join us next week when we show you how our new Fiberpath mainsail performs underway to Charleston and then the Bahamas. Have a great week.